One of the biggest concerns people have before buying an EV isn't charging, it's the battery. What happens if the battery degrades? How much will a replacement cost? And will the battery last as long as the car itself? That's why Tata Motors grabbed headlines when it announced a lifetime battery warranty for the new Sierra EV. At first glance, it sounds incredible. Buy the car once and never worry about the battery again. But here's the interesting part. Tata's lifetime warranty isn't exactly lifetime. So what does it actually cover? And is it a good deal for buyers? Let's break it down. When people compare electric vehicles with petrol or diesel cars, one concern comes up again and again: battery replacement cost. The battery is usually the single most expensive component in an EV. And while modern EV batteries are designed to last for years, many buyers still worry about long-term degradation and replacement expenses. That's why battery warranties have become one of the biggest selling points in the EV market today. The longer the warranty, the more confidence buyers have in the product. And that's exactly what Tata is trying to address with Sierra EV. So what does lifetime warranty actually mean? See, according to Tata Motors, the Sierra EV's so-called lifetime battery warranty is actually valid for 15 years from the date of first registration. In other words, lifetime does not mean forever. It means up to 15 years of coverage for the original owner. Now, to be fair, 15 years is a very long time in the automotive world. Many vehicles don't remain with the same owner for anywhere near that long. But it's still important to understand what you are getting, because the marketing term lifetime can create different impressions. Now there's another important condition. The warranty is tied to the first owner. That means if you buy a Tata Sierra EV and keep it, the battery remains covered for up to 15 years. But if you sell the vehicle, the next owner does not automatically inherit the same warranty of 15 years. And that could matter, because a transferable long-term warranty can boost resale value because buyers feel more confident purchasing a used EV. So prospective Sierra EV buyers should keep this first owner condition in mind. Now, despite the conditions, this is still one of the strongest battery warranty packages currently offered in the Indian EV market. Tata Motors is effectively saying that it has the confidence in the durability of its battery technology. What else do we know about the Tata Sierra EV? The Sierra EV will be offered with two battery pack options: a 63 kWh battery pack and a larger 75 kWh battery pack. According to Tata, the larger battery delivers a claimed real-world range of around 510 to 530 kilometers, while the MIDC certified range goes up to 665 kilometers. The company has also announced introductory prices starting at 18,79,000 ex-showroom. With its retro-inspired design, modern EV platform and long battery warranty, Tata is positioning Sierra EV as one of its most important electric launches yet. The battle in the EV market is no longer just about range, it's increasingly about confidence. Consumers want reassurance that their battery will remain reliable for years. They want protection against expensive repairs, and they want proof that manufacturers trust their own technology. That's why battery warranties are becoming a key differentiator. Tata's move could also put pressure on competitors to offer longer coverage periods in the future. Would a 15-year battery warranty make you more comfortable buying an EV? Or do you think lifetime should mean something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.